I don't have to prove anything to anyone. I run my world. There comes a point in life where you stop chasing validation and start building vision, where you realize that the opinions of others don't pay your bills, don't build your dreams, and don't determine your future. Real power begins the moment you understand that your life is your responsibility and your success is your decision. Too many people spend years living by someone else's rules, working someone else's plan, trading time for money while hoping one day things will magically change. But hope without action is just delay. The truth is, freedom isn't given, it's built. It's built through discipline, through sacrifice, through stepping into discomfort and choosing growth over convenience. It's built when you decide to stop settling for average and start creating something bigger than yourself. That's what entrepreneurship does. It shifts the control back into your hands. It gives you the ability to dictate your income, your schedule, your legacy, and most importantly, your future. At TruPowur, we've created a vehicle for people who are ready to take that step. A real opportunity in a recession-resistant industry where every home and every business already uses the product, energy. This isn't about hype. This is about ownership. It's about creating leverage, building residual income, and positioning yourself in an industry that continues moving no matter what the economy does. Because when you control the opportunity, you control the outcome. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every single day, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.